I never thought a simple mixture could make him look so vibrant. He tried it before his run, and he looked like a different person. He was breathing easily while everyone else was struggling. Watching him maintain that pace was the moment I knew this was genuinely effective.